How to fix iPhone black screen. In this video, I'm going to show you several different steps that'll fix an issue on your iPhone where it just has a black screen. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing I recommend doing is starting with the basics. Let's just make sure that our iPhone is actually charged and it's not just too low on battery level to actually turn on. So go ahead and plug in your iPhone, and you may want to plug the other end of the cable into a different charger. And what I recommend doing is just letting it sit there and charge for 10, 20 minutes just to make sure that it does get a nice charge. Now, during that time, if it does start charging, then you should see it turn on automatically. So if it was just a dead battery, hopefully that was a really easy fix for you. If this doesn't work, what I recommend doing is checking the connector down here, make sure that there's no lint or dirt in it that's preventing that connector from actually charging your iPhone. Now, if the charging didn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is just finding the power button. It's over here on the right side of it, and just hold down that power button for around 10 seconds. Now, this will just force the iPhone to turn on. If you see the Apple icon, that's a good sign that the display is actually still working. So give it some time. It should boot up and turn on just like normal. Now, if you didn't see the Apple symbol, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix that as well. So sometimes if your screen is still off, even after holding down the power button for around 10 seconds, it could mean that your iPhone is actually on, but there's a software issue with the display that's preventing it from actually turning on. So we can easily fix that with what's called a hard reset. And this won't delete the files on your iPhone. It just forces it to turn off and then turn on. So to do that, what we want to do is short press the volume up and the volume down button and then hold down the power button. So we're going to do volume up button, volume down button, and hold down the power button for around 20 seconds. You might see the screen flash a little bit. You might see the Apple icon. Just keep holding it down for full 20 seconds. All right, so I see the Apple icon there. I'm going to go ahead and let go. Give it some time. And once you see that Apple icon, that means that it is booting up. So it just was some sort of hiccup in the software that caused your screen to turn black. And now it should boot up, and then you can unlock it and start using it. So that's how you fix an iPhone with a black screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.